Good morning everyone present in grammar online class. So today our topic is prepositions. We will learn more about the usage of prepositions in the sentences. Now what are prepositions? Preposition is a word which shows the relation of one thing with another thing in a sentence. Means एक सेंटेंस है जो भी हम बोलते हैं या लिखते हैं उसमें एक चीज़ का दूसरी चीज़ के साथ जब हम रिलेशन शो करते हैं दे आर रिलेटेड टू विद अनदर विद अ वर्ड दैट वर्ड इज preposition. For example, in, on, under, behind, in front of. Let us discuss more about these prepositions with the help of examples. I have a cup. I have a transparent glass with me. Fine. So if I have this mango. It's a toy mango. So I have two things. Now we don't have any relation with these two things with each other. But if I put this mango in the glass, now the word in, in, which I used, in, because I have put this mango in the glass, that is showing the relation of one thing with another. That word is called preposition. वो जो in हमने use किया वो word हमारा preposition है. Understand? So the mango is in the glass. So here in word is preposition. अब वो क्यों preposition है? Because in जो word है वो mango और glass के बीच में relation show कर रहा है. Understand? So let us take another example. I have a file. I have playing cards with me. Playing cards. Okay. If I keep these cards here, so what do I say? The cards are lying on the file. जो cards हैं वो file के ऊपर रखे हुए हैं. On the file. So the relation between the cards and the file is showing by a word on. On. मतलब ये ऊपर है. If I place them here, down here, then I'll say the cards are kept down the file. The cards are down the files. Fine? If I keep them in the file, then I say the cards are in the file. Okay? The cards are, if I keep with the distance, the cards are in front of the file. वो फाइल के सामने है. The cards are behind the file. वो कार्ड जो है वो पीछे है. Cards are behind the file. The cards are near the file. वो उसके पास हैं. Cards are near the file. Now if I keep these cards here, थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर, but उसको टच नहीं कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर, then I say the cards are over the file. Fine? Good. Now one more preposition is of. I have a puppet, I have a card, I have a puppet, and this puppet is made of paper. जब मुझे ये बताना है किसी भी मटेरियल का जो रिलेशन है कि वो किस चीज़ से बना है, then I say the puppet is made of paper. Fine? Now, hope with these examples preposition is clear to you almost. So the preposition are the words, they show the relation of one thing with another in a sentence. So according to your class, ma'am has taken a few examples of prepositions. For example, under, near, behind, on, in. Let us discuss them one by one. So our first preposition ma'am has taken under. Under का मतलब नीचे. Under is something which is placed under. जो कोई चीज़ नीचे होती है उसको हम under show करते हैं. Near, the thing which is near to, जो हमारे पास होती है. Ma'am is standing near the blackboard. Ma'am blackboard के पास खड़े हैं. Fine. Behind. Behind is at the back. जो पीछे की चीज़ हम शो कर रहे हैं वो behind. In, कोई चीज़ जब हम किसी चीज़ के अंदर डालते हैं, प्लेस करते हैं, अंदर डालते हैं, that is in. On, जब हम उसके ऊपर करते हैं और वो उसके साथ टच होता है, that is on. Between, बेटा understand this thing. Between, जब हम टू नाउन्स की बात कर रहे हैं, टू नाउन्स के बीच में अगर एक और नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं, then we say between. Shagun is sitting between Reema and Meeta. Fine. जब दो नाउन्स के बीच में एक नाउन प्लेस होता है, जो जब हम उसकी रिलेशन शो करते हैं, then we say between. With हमें शो करता है रिलेशन. Like for example, I saw a girl with specs. मैंने जो गर्ल देखी उसके स्पेक्स थी. I saw a girl with specs. और ये रिलेशन शो करता है. For example, if we order something, I ordered sandwich with a soft drink. Fine. Among, अब ये जो between है और among है, इन दोनों में आप कंफ्यूज होते हो. Now let us do more discussion about between. मैम ने आपको बताया टू नाउन्स के बीच में जब हम एक रिलेशन शो करते हैं किसी दूसरे नाउन का, then we use between. अब उसी तरह if one noun is related, जब हम एक नाउन को रिलेट करते हैं दो से ज़्यादा में, when we relate with more than two, then we use among. जब दो से ज़्यादा के कोई नाउन होते हैं और उनके साथ हम रिलेट करते हैं किसी चीज़ को, that is then there we use among. I distributed candies among my friends on my birthday. मतलब जो आपके friends हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, वो दो से ज़्यादा हैं, तो here we will use among. Okay. Now over is something over to you, ऊपर है, but that is not touching. उसके बीच में एक difference है. That thing is not touching to you. जो चीज़ टच करती है, there we use on. यहाँ पर हम यूज़ करेंगे over. The roof is over my head. जो ये रूफ है मेरे सिर के ऊपर है, over. Fine. At, this is again direction. Here at is also used to tell time. I will reach to you at 8 p.m. We have to finish our work at night. Night के लिए हम at use करते हैं. To tell the time we use at. By, it is the limitation of the time, like we have to complete our work by 7 p.m. तो ये जो हमारा एक टाइम का पीरियड हम शो कर रहे हैं कि इतने टाइम तक हमने ये चीज़ फिनिश करनी है, that we use by. Of. Now with the materials, जो हम materials का रिलेशन शो करते हैं कि वो किस चीज़ से बनी है, then we say here of. For example, the chair is made of wood. Fine. After, बाद में. I will have my lunch after my class. Before, पहले. Sunday comes before Monday. Sunday है जो Monday के पहले आता है. Fine. To is to tell डायरेक्शन, जो टू है ये डायरेक्शन बताता है कि वी गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे, हम स्कूल रोज जाते हैं, वी गो टू स्कूल डेली. फाइन. Now let us go through these examples ma'am has written here for you all. We first one we have used to. We go to school daily. So यहाँ पर we have used to because we are showing the direction where we are going. I am talking to you. मैं आपके साथ बात कर रही हूँ. I am talking to you. So here we will use to. A house is behind the valley. अब जो वैली है, छोटी पहाड़ी है, उसके पीछे क्या है? हाउस है. So here behind is used to tell the relation. Sahil distributed the candies among his friends. Now his friends are more than two. अब उसके जो friends हैं वो दो से ज़्यादा हैं. So ma'am has used here among. The cat is sitting between its kittens. जो कैट है उसके 2 किटन्स हैं और वो कैट 2 किटन्स के बीच में बैठी है, 2 किटन्स के. सो हियर मैम हैज यूज्ड between. I ordered a sandwich with a soft drink. I have ordered a sandwich, but relation we are telling here with the preposition with. कि मैंने सैंडविच के साथ क्या मंगवाया? सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक भी मंगवाया. There was a girl with a cute smile. वहाँ पर एक girl थी and here we are relating a cute smile with that girl. So we are telling there was a girl with a cute smile. Fine. Another example ma'am has written here. There is a bridge over the river. अब जो ये bridge है वो river को touch नहीं कर रहा है. It is over the river. रिवर के ऊपर है, ऊपर से वो पास कर रहा है. फाइन. देयर इज अ रूफ ओवर माई हेड. एज मैम हैज टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, जो रूफ है, जो छत है मैम के सिर के ऊपर है. फाइन. द यूसेज ऑफ with this example, I need a glass of water. मुझे एक पानी का ग्लास चाहिए. I need a glass of water. So here ma'am has used of. This table is made up of wood. For material, as ma'am has told you that for material, to show that material relation between, we use of. This table is made up of wood. So all these words are prepositions and they show the relation of one thing with another in a sentence. Fine. Hope this lesson will help you out in the use of prepositions in your sentences. Take care.